Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme C33 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and it doesn't really matter on which mode you will be here, so the video or photo mode or even portrait mode. Just enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the timer, and as you can see we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can set 3 or 10 seconds delay, or of course off option, which is currently applied. So let me pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, after tapping on it, it will immediately appear right here, which means that it should be applied. So let's go back to the camera. As you can see, it is not notified here, but let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, it is right now counting down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, if you will pick the 3 seconds delay, it will count down from 3. And basically that's all. Of course, we can turn off the timer just by tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set actually the camera timer in your Realme C33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.